Hello! Today we will talk about the Angry Birds game and we will make it with the Unity. For those who don't know what Angry Birds game is, basically is a slideshot puzzle game. In the game, the players launches the Angry Birds at Big Fortress. So let's not talk too much and let's get started. Okay, let's start with creating a new project, then rename it and choose the folder where you want to store the project on your machine. Click create the project and wait until it finishes. And yeah, here you can see the scene where we will design. Then let's search for opengameart.com to choose the appropriate bird for our game. Then download the package and move it to the project. Then choose those images together and grab it to the scene in order to create the bird animation, rename it, and let's run to see the result. Oh, that's great, it's flying. Now let's search for the background, maybe this one, download it, then move it to the project, grab it to the scene, then let's allocate the bird. Yeah, make it much smaller, put it on the most right of the background. Now I will add a rigid body 2D component to the bird in order to make it full down. Okay, great. Then add a box collider 2D component to the background. Then edit to make it touch the grace line. Then add another collider to the bird, but this time will be a polygon collider to take the bird's shape in order to make it full down on the grace line. Let's run the project. Perfect. Now I want to change the bird color when we click on it. Firstly, I will create a new C# class and name it bird. Then if I want to change the bird color, I have to define two methods inside the bird class to handle the click event. So click down method will set the color to red, and the click up method to reset the color to white, which is the default that we have. Save the changes, go to check if it's work. Then assign the C# file where we wrote the code as a component to the green bird. Run the project and let's test it. Yeah, and it's work. And now I want to be able to drag the bird when I click on it. To do that, I have created a drag method which will handle the drag event. Save and go for checking. Actually, I have a syntax error. Let's correct it and see the result. Good enough. Now I added some extra code to make the bird fly in the opposite direction to which it's being pulled. Then multiply it by 100 to make it 100 faster. I test it again and work as always. Then add some restrictions in order to restart the game when the bird exits outside the specified coordinates. Now the error is gone and the bird works as we want.
Nice.
Okay, honestly I have finished the game with adding some extra styles and some enemies and adding levels to the game, camera view, and this will be on the next video.